In a straight line, baby. Hey, what you say? We're never gonna look back now. Can't you see the sun shining? You and me driving out from under this dark cloud. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Blaze Plays Guitar Lessons. Please hit like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions about this song in the comments. Also, if you have other songs you want to learn, let me know. If you please put your song requests in the comments, because this was a song that was requested. I do tons of requests, so I can't promise I'll do every single one, but I will do my best to get to them. So, all right, let's get started. So this song is in standard tuning, no capo, no nothing, and it's crazy easy. Like, this is a crazy easy song. Keith Urban's a really good guitarist, and I'm not teaching you how to play a solo in this, but he does play sometimes some stuff that's pretty easy. So anyway, this is a very easy song. You're actually only going to use 2 chords for it. I'm going to show you the strumming patterns. And some just kind of easier ways to play it, but stick with me at least until after the chorus, until we get to the bridge, because the bridge I'm going to show you the strumming pattern for that, okay? So just to play it like how it sounds, okay, especially on an acoustic guitar. So let's get started. The only chords you're going to use C, you're also going to use F. And on F, if you can't bar it, see how you can hear these? Well, I didn't do a good job on that one. If you can't really bar it, all right, just play it like a power chord, but also try and put this finger down. That gives it the extra sound. All right, so that's how you play F, all right? Those are the 2 chords you're gonna use, C and F. So when you play it, you're gonna start with, and the strumming is super simple, okay? It's just down, up, 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 down, up. Okay, that's the chord progression. It literally just switches from C to F over and over and over. Okay, so very easy. Now when you do the verses, I would recommend you just play that softer, and you can even just do single strums. You could do why we living every day in circles, just burning out. Now you could also just play it like softer, why we living every day in circles, just burning out, burning out. So you see how you do C, why we living every day in circles, and then F on just burning. Burning is where you switch to F. Burning out, burning out. I don't wanna, so wanna you switch to C. Wanna just go through the motions, going round. So round is where you switch to F. Round and round, it's taking us down. And you go C, and now this is where in the pre-chorus part here, he goes really fast. You do, I ain't buying this life, gotta be such a mother. Okay, so you're just gonna do it, same thing here. I ain't buying this life, gotta be such a mother. Cause we got, so I see, cause we kinda got. That's where you're gonna do kinda, is where you're gonna do F. Cause we kinda got it all, we got each other. And you just can do the same thing. So you is C. You and me used to be like a year-round summer. Let's go back. Oh, hit the gas. So go back is where you can do F. Stay on the oh, hit the gas. And you're just gonna go right into the chorus and go louder with it. So you're gonna do in a straight line, baby. All right, just go to that. In a straight line, baby. And you're gonna do C for that, okay? So I'm just gonna show you where you switch the chords. In a straight line, baby, say what you say, we never, so never is where you switch to F. Never gonna look back now. In a straight, can't you see? So C is C, that's easy. See the sun shining, you and me driving out. So out is where you do F. Out from under this dark cloud. I wanna know. So know is where you switch back to C. Know what they mean when they say life's a dream, shouldn't we? So on we, you're gonna do F. We be dreaming it too. In a straight, and on straight you switch back to C. Straight line, baby, starting out, taking a straight line. So you do straight, here you do F is straight. Straight line, straight into forever with you. You is where you do C. You, yeah, with you. Now, the other thing you can do when you're playing the verses is you can palm mute it. So you can do Finally leaving Hotel California. So you just do the same thing, though it's just gonna be down strums, okay? Now, the second verse is the same as the first one, the second chorus is the same. On the solo, you're just gonna be doing that same strumming, and I would recommend doing it louder there, but then when you get to the bridge, that's where you're definitely just palm muting it. That's what they're doing in the song. So it's just, I ain't buying this, life's gotta be such a mother. Cause we kinda got it all. So on we kinda, you're doing F. Kinda got it all when we got each other. You and me. So when you're palm muting, if you're new to that, you're putting this part of your hand as close as you can to the white part here, like as possible. So you just want to be touching the strings hardly at all. And that's what gives it the sound. Okay? And so you're just palm muting that part, and then you go into the rest of the chorus, and when you end it, I would just end it on just like on an F strum. Just like that, okay? Let me know if you guys have any questions, if there's other songs you want to learn or anything like that. It's been fun, and see me next time.